Edsel. Salamat. And this time, on Jane's side, one of her closest friend is Ethan. Hi! Message for them to do it.
Sure. Good evening to each and everyone. Message for the newlywed, to Mike and to Jane. I know we'll go through a lot. You say a lot, ups and downs, and definitely like what I've shared. Una na ako mag-post ng pictures niyo sa Instagram. Kasi I'm
Go, Brad!
to be part of one of your most memorable occasions in your lives together as couples. Nasabi ko nga doon na definitely you'll be a good team. You'll surpass everything. You'll surpass the test of time and the test of all odds. And I would like to say thank you for inviting me again in one of your most memorable occasions in your lives. Kasama ng mga friends natin sa Sykes. Congratulations and best wishes. I will always be here should you need anything, assistance and all that. I'm just a text away. Kahit na hindi nyo ako touch, I still visit you every time. And same with the other friends that we have sa Sykes Asia. I really appreciate you being part of my life also. And I know we'll be very, very good friends till the end. Right. Thank you and congratulations again.
Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much, Ethan. How long you been together, friends?